Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I am just bringing you this bomb look today. I don't know what it is, but it came out really cute. Taylor made it, Jane. She did something of this color combination, so this is kind of where I got it from. It's not exactly her look, but like the color combo, it really inspired me. And I was going to do like a little brown gold eye today. I don't know what happened. I got this, but yeah, it's real cute or whatever. And let's see, we got a new backdrop. And excuse me, it's a little wrinkled. Okay, we go get that fixed, I guess. I don't know. I gotta see how it look. But yeah, like I like this though. It's really cute or whatever, and it kind of matched my hair. Yeah. Okay. But if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. Remember to hit that notification button, okay? And turn your comments. Not turn on your comments, but comment below, okay? And what else? Yeah, just share and like and subscribe and everything else and all the rest of that good stuff. And I will see you in my next look. I'm going to start for primer eyes. I'm going to use the Colourpop No Frizz Concealer in the shade Medium 28. And I'm taking it and just patting it around my lid as usual, as you would do so. Okay, so the palette I'm going to use is the Bperfect Carnival palette. And I'm going to take the color Sky, which is just like a light blue. And look, if you haven't got this palette this year, you definitely need to go get it. And right now is the perfect time to go do so because they have them like up to 30% off sale. So you're going to pay about what, $40, maybe $50 at the most for the palette. And trust me, it's definitely worth it. All right, so definitely go get that. And I also got the Color Rain Vivid Pigments palette that's on sale. So go get that too. Well, no, you really don't have to. You have this palette, but still, I got that too. Cause I've been wanting it, and I finally got it. I was like, okay, I don't need to buy nothing else, right? Like, I'm gonna be broke before Friday even get here. So after I've packed in the yellow, not the yellow, but the blue, I'm gonna take the yellow. It's a mustard color, the one I'm always using. I'm so sad because I've hit pan on that shade. I'm like, I need another one. Like, where am I supposed to get another mustard color from? I don't know. But yeah, okay. I'm just gonna take what left that I have and packed it over the blue. So what I did first was I put down a dark color and then I went back in with a light color on top of it, which causes for a little bit more blending than what I usually do. But blending yellow and blue in together is a little difficult anyway. So I really guess it didn't make too much of a difference the order that I put it, but I thought this way it'd be a little bit more easier, but not really. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm just taking that color and just really blending it as much as I can. So next I'm taking Envy, which is a green, but you really can't see it because, like, you know, when you blend blue and green in together, it always becomes one color. So that green really just made the blue a little bit more darker and turned it into turquoise, which is fine. Okay. And then I'm going to go back in with the brush I had the blue on. And I'm going to go back in with the brush I had the yellow on. Like with this look, I was really going back and forth between those brushes just to get everything, you know, blended evenly so I wouldn't have such a hard line, such a harsh line. But well, I figured it out, made it work. Okay, so for my crease, I'm taking Mood, which is a navy blue. And I didn't show the palette in this tutorial, but y'all know what these colors look like. I use the palette all the time, so I didn't have to do all that, okay? But I'm just taking the Real Techniques brush. I think this is the flat base brush, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm just going to blend it into the crease. And I'm also going to take a little bit of black, as I always do, just to deepen up the crease, okay? And blue is such a messy color, especially navy blue. It seems like it no matter how much powder I put down, I still somehow seem to get it on my face, especially on my nose, and I don't understand. It's like when I'm using blue, I should really do my eyes first. But I just hate that process because when I get to do my eyes, I want to be finished. All I want to do is highlight and put some and do my lips, and that's it. I don't want to do my face. So I guess it's just not an option. I just have to figure it out. How to prevent blue shadow from getting on me. It does. That's the only color it does that with. And burgundy. Those two colors are just so messy. It's ridiculous. Okay, so we're going to cut the crease using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair 00, which is their white concealer. And I'm just going to spread that over my lid. And I'm going to take a Morphe brush. I don't know the number of this brush, but at first I was using this brush for my glitters, but then I decided to cut my crease with it, and it works so well. Like when Morphe have their sale, which I'm hoping they're going to have one, I'm definitely going to get at least 3 more of these brushes, because look, it is bomb. Okay, you see the way I just cut that crease so easily with it? Yeah. Next, I'm going into the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I'm taking the green shimmer out of there, and I'm going to pack it, not all the way on my lid, but at least to the halfway point, almost to the end. Okay, so to smoke out my outer corner, I'm just going to take that navy blue I put in the crease, and I'm going to pack a little bit of it, and then I'm going to go in with the green that I was putting in my crease that you really couldn't see, but you're going to be able to see it now. And excuse my voice, it's like 8 o'clock in the morning, and I'm doing this voiceover, and I'm a little raspy, okay? Yeah, so we're just going to pack that blue on, and then kind of blend it a little bit. Okay, so that's the green shade that I was putting in my crease that you couldn't see. And I'm just blending it into the shimmer, basically. And so, y'all know I'm extra in my looks. I have to add glitter. It's just necessary, okay? Like, the glitter makes everything better. I don't care what nobody says. You add some glitter to your look, and look, you just made it 100% better, or you went to fix something you would messed up, alright? So I'm taking a touch of Fancy Cosmetics Chunky Glitter. The glitters I'm always using, but you can never really see, but now that I've zoomed in, like, you can actually see the glitter, alright? So it's gold, and I found a new way to put my glitter on, and I forgot her name on Instagram, but she just took a glitter liner, placed it wherever you go put your glitter at, dump that brush into the glitter, and then place it on your lid. Makes everything a whole lot easier. Okay, that way you avoid all the mess of the glitter falling. Great. Okay, so for my under eye, I'm just doing what I always do, reversing the colors. I'm going to take the navy blue first, and I'm doing it with an angled brush. I think I got that brush from Coastal Scents. It's possibility. I'm not sure. I've had it forever. I don't know. But I'm just taking it and smudging. It's not like I'm really just tapping into the palette, okay, just to get a little bit off because the color is already pigmented. So I don't need to go like full in with the color, okay? So I'm just smudging it under my eye, and then I want to take that green and place that under the eye as well, okay? Okay, so I'm also going to take that green shimmer and place it in the inner corner of my waterline. Okay. And you can see it a little bit. I probably should have wet the brush and made it a little bit more pigmented, but you can still see it though. Okay. So for the inner corner, I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Blacklight Highlight Palette, the one with all the pretty colors in it. And I'm going to take Queen, which is that very sky pretty blue. Like, I love that color. And look, it just made it look a whole lot better. Okay. So to highlight, we're going to use Colourpop Pressed Highlighter and then the Juvia's Place Loose Highlighter. The Colourpop highlighter is called Boy Next Door. And I don't know why I stopped using this because it is really good. Like, I don't know. I have a drawer full of highlighters and I don't even use half of them. And then for the loose highlighter from Juvia's Place, y'all already know it's Nefertiti. Okay? And I might get the rest of the Juvia's Place highlighters. I don't know. Like, I really don't need another highlighter. But it's just a habit. You know, like, highlighters is just, it's a bad addiction. Okay? Highlighters and lip glosses for me is a really bad addiction. I ain't stop. I probably won't. And now I'm obsessed with pigments. So, yeah. And then I'm just going to go down the bridge of my nose with the Juvia's Place highlighter. And it's also a Juvia's Place brush that I use to place the highlight on my nose. Okay, so to blend everything together, I always go back in with my blush brush. It is a blush brush, but I don't use it for that, right? I just use it to blend out my highlight. So for my lips, y'all know I have banned myself from lipstick. So we're just going to take the MAC Aaliyah lip liner and Nevermore, and the Colourpop MakeupShayla gloss and Neat Freak, and the Colourpop Ultra Gloss and Finesse, which is an iridescent white gloss, which is so pretty. Okay? And yep, that's it for this tutorial. And I will see you next time.